Let's solve a unit conversion problem, converting 460 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. First, let's understand what these units mean. Millimeters of mercury, or mmHg, is a unit of pressure that measures how high mercury rises in a barometer tube. A barometer is an instrument that measures atmospheric pressure. The standard atmospheric pressure is defined as 760 millimeters of mercury, or 1 atmosphere. We can write this as our conversion factor. To convert 460 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres, we multiply 460 millimeters of mercury by this conversion factor. Notice how the units of mmHg cancel out, leaving us with atmospheres. Now, we just need to divide 460 by 760. This gives us approximately 0.6053 atmospheres. Let's visualize this conversion with a pressure scale. Here's a scale from 0 to 1 atmosphere. Our value of 0.6053 atm falls right about here, showing that 460 millimeters of mercury is a bit more than half of standard atmospheric pressure. In summary, to convert from mmHg to atm, we multiply by the conversion factor 1 atm slash 760 millimeters of mercury. This gives us our final answer of approximately 0.6053 atm.